Hello my study bees, welcome to a new video, and this one is gonna be about my first day as a 10th grader. So this is a combination of 2 days, means 26th of February and 27th of February. So on 26th I started doing this vlog. So I filmed, I got the NCERT books from market, all the subjects like history, geography, civics, economics, math, science and Bengali as well. And I decided to start up with studying. So I took my science NCERT book up to study. So first of all I saw and checked the whole contents, and then I decided that I will be doing the first chapter of the book, or the first chapter of chemistry, that is chemical reactions and equations. I turned on a YouTube lecture video. Along with it I started with taking some notes. So first of all I did the heading and then started writing the whole contest. Now my way of taking running notes, call it in real normal class or in normal YouTube lecture live classes or something. So I generally first of all listen what the teacher is teaching and understand, and then I pause the video and then I make my own notes. Or if I'm talking about the running class in school or live classes, then on that time when the teacher teaches, I just remember it in my own mind, and on that time only I take some short notes and then come back home and make rough notes from them. So after the short session of science, I then prepared for my bag, like I prepared and packed my bag for the next day, which is 27th of January, my first day as a 10th grader. So I packed some of the books and extra copy along with a rough copy and the pencil pouch as well, and my other necessary things like my spectacles and a paper soap, which is very much important for me for hygienic purpose. I keep it with me, and this compartment of my new bag is to be kept empty, and the first one where I'll be keeping my tiffin. And I attached this cute aesthetic Santa Claus vibing keychain also. And yeah, that's it. Then on the day of 27th of February I woke up early, did my hair, got freshened up, got ready and went to school. I came back from school and then I saw it was a whole mess in my whole study table. So I decided to settle all of them up after taking a hot shower. So I got freshened up quickly and then I started doing with all the works I had. Like first of all I cleared my old books, like the copies, the books are segregated, kept them in their favorable places, then cleaned the whole desk and the storage cabinets to store my new books, copies and note copies and many more. As it was a lengthy process, then there must be a chips break, isn't it so? So bus then I completed the organizing part of my book storage, and then it was a time for me to get back to study again. So I began with some of the painting works and homeworks I had for the next day. And not only that, I did some of the extra studies like self-studies purpose I did a bit. And that's it for this vlog. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Bye.